The picture of a COVID-19 infected CA aspirant preparing for his examination has gone viral. The photograph of the CA aspirant from Ganjam district was from inside a COVID isolation ward. The picture not only got applauded by the Ganjam collector, it also evoked sharp criticisms on social media. Ganjam collector Vijay Amruta Kulangi during his visit to the COVID center found the youth engaged in study while being under treatment. The collector then shared a photo on his Twitter account and applauded him. Soon after the collector shared the photo, his social media page was flooded with mixed response. While many appreciated the dedication of the youth, several others trolled him. Many advised the CA aspirant to concentrate on his health first, and many others said that he should not occupy the hospital bed and vacated for the seriously ill COVID patient.